I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting tools ready. Install Git and log into GitHub so authorization is smooth. In Unity, switch to visible meta files and force text so assets track reliably. Once done, open your project folder, create a Unity-specific Git ignore and run Git init. This sets the local repository. Make an initial commit with all tracked files. This preserves scenes, assets, and project settings. These first steps prevent common merge conflicts later and make collaboration predictable. You now link your local repo to GitHub. Create a remote repository in the web UI and copy its SSH or HTTPS URL. Next, in your terminal, add the remote git remote add origin URL, then standardize the default branch with git branch mmain. After that, push git push uorigin main. If authentication fails, switch to SSH keys or a personal access token. Make sure your Git client is using the correct credential helper. This step publishes your Unity project. To finish, adopt a workflow. Always git pull before you start, commit frequently, and push when changes are stable. Once done, set up Git LFS for big binaries such as large textures or audio to avoid huge repository sizes. Make sure teammates agree on branch naming and locking conventions. If you encounter conflicts, inspect the meta files first, resolve text-based merges in a diff tool, then open Unity and test scenes and prefabs locally. This prevents lost references and keeps the project stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.